How to turn on mic on Poppo live party. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on mic on Poppo live party. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to open your Poppo live application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom, you'll be able to locate this live button. Tap on it to start your own party. Here in this space, select a party to join. Once you have selected the content, tap on the Go Live button at the bottom. Once you start the live session, during the live session, you will be able to see the microphone icon at the bottom left of your screen. This icon indicates whether your mic is currently muted or active. If the microphone icon shows that it's muted, which is indicated by a slash through it, you will need to tap on it to activate your microphone. The icon will change to indicate that your mic is on now. Once your microphone is active, now you can start interacting with your audience through audio. Also, you will need to ensure that you have granted the app permission to access your device microphone when prompted. To check that, you can also open your device settings. And once you reach to the settings page, look for the apps option under it. Scroll down to find it, and once you locate it, tap on it to open it. From the app list, here search for Poppo Live. Once you find the Poppo Live, you will simply need to tap on it, and inside it, here look for the permissions option. Tap on it. Now here you will need to look for the microphone option. Check if it is allowed or not. If you didn't find the option in this allow section, you can simply scroll down and find the microphone in this not allowed section. Simply tap on it and then you will grant permission to microphone. After doing that, you can successfully turn on your microphone while participating in Poppo Live Party. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.